super quick. Master key to ESP and basically leveling up your frequency. Super quick here. You are a dirty sponge. This black silhouette, right? In this pure lit up realm of pure shining light, right? You are just this blackness. What you gotta do is put that sponge under water, squeeze it and let go. Squeeze it and let go. This whole technique is called becoming incorporeal, or becoming, literally, you want to go from very dirty window into a clear window and let the sun shine straight through you. Breathe it in, let it out. Breathe it in, let it out. The whole goal, the focus of it, becoming seriously like, is incorporeal the word? I don't know. Like luminescent, clear, like a clear window. Let that light shine straight through you, all of your aura, right? Basically, breathe in the clear water, release the bad water. Use that technique, guide it, and then use your own ingenuity. Alter it, right? Meditate on it, and many keys will come to you. Just try that out and let me know how it goes. It's a really quick technique to align with the sun on these sun meditations out here. Peace.